Alright, so suppose we're told that we have three numbers, a, b, and c, and we're also told that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now, the question is, what's the value of a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed, right? So, to start, I think what I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm going to want to cube something, right? So maybe I think I'll take this equation, right? I think I'm going to bring c to the right-hand side, right? So subtract by c on both sides. So get a plus b is equal to negative c, okay? So I have that. Now, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cube both sides, right? And that's going to give me, so for left hand side, I'll get a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared, right, plus b cubed. And right hand side, well, negative c cubed, that's just, negative c cubed. Alright, so look, we're kind of getting close. We have the a cubed and the b cubed and the c cubed, kind of. So we're getting closer. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this c cubed to the left hand side and rearrange this a little bit. So I'm going to get a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed. I'm just rearranging the stuff. And plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared, right? So since I brought this to left hand side, I'm left with 0 on the right hand side. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We have the a cubed, b cubed, and c cubed, but we have all this junk. So let's see what we can do with that junk. Let's see here. I think what I can do is I can factor out a 3ab, right, from these two terms. So I'll get a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed, right? Same thing, and plus I take out 3ab, right? So I get plus 3ab times, let's see, it becomes a, b squared, wipe that out, becomes a b. So I get a plus b, and that's equal to 0. Okay, now like, this is kind of special, right? Because I said here that a plus b plus b plus c is equal to 0. So I could say really that a plus b is equal to negative c, and I can just plug in negative c right here, so I can make that negative c. Then I'll get a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to, not equal to, not yet, minus 3abc, right, plus becomes the minus, is equal to 0. And then, final thing, move the 3abc to the right hand side. So you get final answer, a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to, what's that equal to? 3abc. So pretty cool. So yeah, interesting problem. And I think honestly this could be a pretty useful equation if you ever have like a sum of cubes or something and you have the condition that the three numbers add up to 0, something like that. So might want to remember this, could be useful, I don't know. But yeah, so follow for more things like this.